Look. Look. I look at the birds in the sky. Listen. Listen. I listen to the birds in the sky in the morning. Smell. Smell. I smell the coffee. Taste. Taste. I taste the ice cream and it is very good. Touch. Touch. I touch the cloud. Pat. Pat. I pat my dog's head. Dig. Dig. I dig a small hole in the garden. Wait. Wait. I am waiting for my friend at the bus station. Follow. Follow. I follow my father to find the park. Hide. Hide. I hide behind a tree during the game. Yawn. Yawn. I yawn when I feel sleepy. Blow. Blow. I blow kill jab up. Argue. Argue. Sometimes I argue with my brother. Say sorry. Say sorry. I say sorry when I hurt someone. Hug. Hug. I hug my mom before going to school. Share. Share. I share my lunch with my friend. Walk. Walk. I walk to school every day. Run. Run. I run fast in the race. Jump. Jump. I jump over the pit. Hop. Hop. I hop like a bunny in the yard. Skip. Skip. I skip rope with my friends. Stamp. Stamp. I stamp my feet when I'm angry. Turn around. Turn around. I turn around when I hear my name. Dance. Dance. I dance when I hear music. Clap. Clap. I will clap after the show. Wave. Wave. I wave goodbye to my friend. Catch. Catch. When the ball comes to me, I catch it. Pull. Pull. I pull the rope. Shout. Shout. I shout when I am excited. Scream. Scream. I scream when I see a spider. Whisper. Whisper. I whisper to my friend in class. Laugh. Laugh. I laugh when I see a funny movie. Sit down. Sit down. I sit down on the chair. Stand up. Stand up. I stand up when the teacher comes in. Turn off. Turn off. I turn off the lights before going to bed. Turn on. Turn on. I turn on the TV to watch my favorite show. Close. Close. I close the door when I leave the room. Open. Open. I open the door to the room for the guest to enter. Read. 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 I read a book before going to sleep. Write. Write. I am writing to my cousin.